Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video I'd love to show you how to make this adorable little winter beanie. It's perfect for any amigurumis. You can sew it on, glue it on, or leave them loose. And best of all, it's made out of recycled materials. So let's move on to the materials. I think this hat fits my little warrior pet perfect. So for materials, you'll need an old cardboard tube from a kitchen roll or toilet roll, any size, it doesn't matter. Big pair of scissors, a bulldog clip, a ruler, and a piece of card that's 12 centimeters down one side. As for yarn, you can use any colour of your choosing, so I'm going to use this gorgeous black and red variegated yarn. So next we're going to take up our card, and using the long side there, we're just going to drape the yarn over, grab your bulldog clip just to clip it in place, and now I'm going to wrap this yarn around the card a total of 40 times. I can always add a few more if I need to. So now I've gone around this 40 times, I'm just going to set this aside for a second. I'm grabbing our cardboard tube, I'm just going to grab my ruler and mark out roughly a centimetre from the bottom. So now we've got all of our strands ready. The next step can be a bit tedious and time consuming, but it is definitely worth it. I'm just going to grab the yarn, thread it through, pinch it and pull through like so, nice and tight. So again, we're going to grab another strand, hold it like so, pull it through, pinch and pull, just like that. There we go. So now we've got all of these strands around the rim. I'm just going to very carefully and neatly tuck everything inside out like so. And as you saw, I did need a few more strands, but that didn't matter. I'm just going to use a leftover strand now, just to pop on there. Tie a nice knot so I can get a rough idea of the size, because the lower down the knot the smaller it will be, the higher up the knot the taller the hat will be. I'm going to go for about there. I'll just tie a really nice tight knot. Double knot. I'm just going to tie again on the back. Starting to take shape. So now I'm just going to take my scissors and trim down the pom-pom to roughly where I'd like it. Now I must admit I've taken a little bit too much off of that top for my liking, but it doesn't matter, these don't take that long to make. I'm sure I'll find somewhere for it to go. So finally I'm just going to take up a really small piece of stuffing and just dob it right in there, just to fill the hat out a little bit, just like so. And there we go, that's how you make an adorable little winter beanie for any amigurumi. They do fit on these worry pets perfectly. I think I need a bigger tube for this guy. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing if you like the content that I'm creating, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the next video. Once again, thank you. Bye for now.